Hello guys and welcome back. Finish off Sermon Thomas. I was finishing off the editions, so now I'm going to do editions and then update employee. This guy's name is Larry Sullivan. He is also a qualified IT technician. I'm going to put him into emergency tax. He only has commission. There's no bonus or no expenses for Larry Sullivan. As per deductions, he has no VHI but still has trade union. Now to employee number 6 and the last employee. This guy's name is called Sammy Emmett. He is an expert on accounts. Thomas. Nearly every single employee is mostly entitled to the trade union, and normally the price of that is $8.63. Oh, see, there was a warning there. I did not enter his date of birth. Right, that. Sorry, 19. That should be 1983, not 1893. There you go. Now it's solved. Sammy Emmett has been updated successfully. Now I'm going to do the overtime and the hours. Now let's preview the 6 employees' payroll, current payroll, by all those hours and earnings that they earned for the week. So mostly Sarah Thomas has the most hours for week 1. Sarah Thomas again, she has the most earnings on taxable gross. But Rory Kenny, he has the most on the net pay. But as for payment, Rory Kenny has his most at the payment as well. Once I progress to the next week, then these will be updated and they will be progressed through this payroll system. So I'm going to close this and then I'm going to go to number 5 and update the next payroll week. Just click my document and click. I don't mind about AT tax accountants, they were my previous folders that I did in the previous video. So Excel, LT under Dillon week 1. And then save that. Then it's successfully been backed up. If you are using TheSaurus Connect, remember to click this cloud icon when you're happy for your employees to log in to view their payslips. Okay, so 2 employees in for their second week has been issued to a P45 form. So Larry Sullivan and Joe Thomas are been issued to P45. The technicians. So the 2 technicians that have been working for the first week have no longer been assessed have no longer been available for the second week. They've been let go and been dismissed from the company. And now to the next employee. There's another employee that has to be issued. That is Joe Thomas. Okay. As for the second week, she has no longer had any bonus. So delete bonus. Deduction, her VHI went down to €75. And then update. Now one more to edit is Sammy Emmett. His bonus went up to 75 and his commission went up to 66. As for the VHI, he indeed has PHI for week 2, and that went up to €76. And then update that file. Update, and close this, and then go back to the overtime and hours. Now he has extra hours that he earns for the second week. Update the file. Now the Sarah Thomas. She has been going up to 5 hours. Time a third, down to 1. Time and a half, down to 5. And then double time down to 6. Update the file. And close that. And then I'm going to preview the payroll. Excellent so far. Some of the employees' wages have been increased. Now I'm going to update the second week and then go into the second folder. Yeah, update that. Select OK. Go to click if required drive is not shown. Excel Ltd Andrew Dillon week number 2. And then click save. Very good. Let's preview the payslips. That's correct. Only 4 employees are available to print out payslips, so the IT technicians are not there because they've been let go and dismissed from the previous week and been issued P45 form. So that's it. That's the end of the program and the end of the company's editing details. So thank you all for watching. See you all very soon. Have a good day. Adios.